Is there any software that can capture the screen and turn it into a fake webcam input? Is there any software that can capture the screen and turn it into a webcam type input so that you can easily record and/or broadcast your screen with regular video software? Edit. Just to be clear, I'd like to be able to use it live as an input to video conferencing software as well as for making recordings with video editing software. Bonus points if it allows me to capture a screen remote from the computer that is sending the video, for example by connecting to another computer with VNC. So it should show up as an input alongside any webcams I have installed, but instead of being a camera, it should be whatever is on the screen. Edit 2. Skype's screen sharing feature is exactly what I want, but it only works with Skype. I'd like to be able to do it with anything that uses a webcam, Google Talk, Ustream, etc.
VH Screen Capture was exactly what I wanted. It comes in a bundle with VH Media Studio, which lets you mix multiple webcams, with picture-in-picture and fade effects, which was great for what I was trying to do.
Here's mine. This URL is free and open source.
This appears to be another one. Medialux Screen Capture Direct Show Filter.
Well, I know Split has a webcam output and works really well. I've been using that for ages. It cannot be started over command line. It can also stream to the major streaming sites and output to video. It supports picture-in-picture with multiple layers of regions, monitors or windows themselves.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.